Guys, I'm Delcora channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can simulate scan body temperature on your Xiaomi 12C. So, at the first step we have to open Play Store and look for the body temperature app. Choose that one, install it and open. Skip this window. And close the ad. Sorry, that phone is working a little bit slow. Okay, now go to the simulation section, and if you want to start the process, just hold the finger in this place. Close that again, and how you can see this is my result. If you want to save it, click here, confirm it by the save, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.